Well, streaming successes are shining pretty bright for the Walt Disney Company, the happiest place on earth, exceeding expectations in its latest quarterly earnings report, despite losing billions because of course, the pandemic. Joining us now is Dade Hayes, a finance editor with Deadline Hollywood. Thanks for being with us, sir. We appreciate it.
Happy to be with you.
How exactly, and I know this is no small question here, how exactly has Disney been impacted by COVID, especially those ubiquitous theme parks?
Oh, my goodness. They said it was about a $2.6 billion hit. Of course, Disneyland in California still closed. Disney World operating at about 35% capacity. So they're really kind of on their back foot in terms of the parks. That's the signature operation. It's what brings in just tremendous amounts of revenue. So it's been tough going, and it's been remarkable to see how they've been able to make a real go of it.
Absolutely. And obviously their fairly new streaming service, Disney Plus, how's that working out for the company?
You know, it's been a huge success. Of all the brand new services, and I'm sure everybody's aware of a lot of the new ones that have come along, Disney Plus is the class of the field. I mean, they've jumped out to an impressive start. A little over a year in, they're about just shy of 95 million subscribers worldwide. They've had legitimate hits like The Mandalorian and the Pixar movie Soul, and they're just rolling. They're going to keep pumping lots more content out there. And they also have Hulu, which has been a remarkable success, very profitable as well.
And any idea just yet what 2022, 2023 may bring, or are we still too far out, too many uncertainties to get through this year?
You know, that's been a big debate. There's an active debate in the analyst community. You know, when is the turnaround going to come? You saw some reactions this morning to the numbers, people getting excited that, hey, maybe they have turned a corner. You know, certainly the CEO, the management team thinks parks will start to reopen. He even really sort of got people's attention saying that nobody going to Disneyland, Disney World in 2022 will even have to wear a mask. I don't know if I'm willing to go quite that far, but I think we are in the, you know, let's say year to 18-month window of when things will really start to be a big resurgence, and you'll start to see some of those numbers from pre-COVID times.
And I would imagine for the theme park part of the Disney empire, certainly now that the vaccine is making its way through the public and hopefully will accelerate in the months to come, that must be incredibly welcome news in the theme park business.
For sure. And they work pretty closely with health officials and government officials on coordinating that. In fact, you saw a little bit of friction between the company and California Governor Gavin Newsom last fall over, you know, when would they be allowed to reopen at Disneyland. You know, they're sort of gritting their teeth and getting through it. But yeah, they work very obsessively about how they can do things responsibly, get open safely. And meanwhile, as they manage this, you know, 100-year flood on the park side, the execution on streaming cannot be overstated. I mean, they have pivoted not just the company's business focus, but the whole impression of it. I mean, let's not forget they set an all-time record with their stock price this week. It's still trading near that all-time high of $193 a share. They're getting rewarded on Wall Street like they're Netflix, which is really something you could never say about Disney in years past.
Wow, all that's fascinating too. Another sign of the recovery. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time tonight and your insight. Thanks for being here on NewsNation with us.
Thanks so much, Rob.